If there is any ignition problem with your motorcycle, you should start by checking the battery. In case it needs a replacement, here is how to do it. The tool you will need for this activity is a general screwdriver. You will find it in your motorcycle toolkit. Additionally, you will also need the following: a spare battery and a multimeter. Turn off the kill switch and the ignition. Now, using the keys, open the right-hand side panel. Disconnect both red and black couplers. Remove the fuse bracket and flasher from the battery housing. Remove the rubber strap and pull out the battery from the housing. Remove the screw of the negative terminal. Rotate the battery 180 degrees anti-clockwise and place the battery on the tray. Now, remove the screw of the positive terminal. Now, gently remove the battery from its housing. Measure the battery voltage with a multimeter by attaching the red to positive and the black to negative terminals. The reading should be 12.6 volts or more. To fit the battery, position the battery in its housing. Tighten the screws of the positive terminal and rotate the battery 180 degrees clockwise. Now, tighten the screws of the negative terminal. Now, tighten the screws of the negative terminal. Gently place the battery housing back to its position. Connect the rubber strap. Connect both the red and black couplers. Place the fuse bracket and flasher into the battery housing. Align the right-hand side panel and lock it firmly. Always remember, turn off the kill and ignition switches. Check the battery periodically to keep it clean and the terminals corrosion-free. Poor contact or loose fitment of battery terminals may cause ECU failure. Always disconnect the black or negative cable first, followed by the red or positive cable while removing the battery connections. Clean the wire terminals free from corrosion and keep the terminals coated with petroleum jelly. Keep the cables firmly connected to the respective battery terminals to prevent any damage to the electrical system of your motorcycle. To check the battery voltage, use the multimeter in voltage DC mode or contact a Royal Enfield authorized service center near you for assistance. Your motorcycle is now ready to hit the road again. Keep riding.